Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we're diving into the world of country garden design, and let's explore the style that evokes a sense of timeless beauty and rustic charm. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Country garden design is a style inspired by the idyllic English countryside. It's characterized by its natural, flowing aesthetic, often featuring soft curves, winding paths, and lush planting. This style emphasizes a harmonious blend of flowers, shrubs, and sometimes even vegetables, creating a picturesque and productive space. A country garden is more than just a pretty face. It's a haven of tranquility, a haven for wildlife, and a haven for the soul. Let's delve into the many benefits of creating your own little slice of countryside. Here are some of the benefits of choosing a country garden style. First, a serene retreat. A country garden offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Second, enhanced biodiversity. By planting a variety of native plants, you can attract beneficial insects and birds. Third, increased property value. A well-maintained garden can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Fourth, improved mental health. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. There's something truly magical about a country garden. It evokes a sense of nostalgia, peace, and simple beauty. Let's explore how you can bring this timeless style to your own backyard. To achieve a stunning country garden, consider these tips. First, embrace natural beauty with prioritize native plants that thrive in your local climate, incorporate natural materials like stone, wood, and wrought iron into your design, and let your garden evolve organically, allowing plants to self-seed and spread. Second, choose soft and romantic colors. Opt for soft, pastel hues like pink, lavender, and white, and consider using complementary colors to create a harmonious palette. Third, winding paths and secret corners. Create a sense of discovery with winding paths and hidden seating areas, and use hedges, shrubs, and trellises to define different spaces within your garden. Fourth, vertical gardening. Maximize your space by utilizing vertical elements like climbing vines and wall-mounted planters and train climbing roses, clematis, or wisteria to adorn fences and arbors. Fifth, mixed borders. Combine flowers, shrubs, and grasses in mixed borders for a lush, layered effect, and plant in drifts of color for a dramatic impact. Sixth, charming garden structures. Add character to your garden with arbors, pergolas, and garden sheds, and decorate these structures with climbing plants and hanging baskets. Seventh, water features. Incorporate a small pond or bird bath to attract wildlife and add a soothing sound to your garden. Eighth, fragrant plants. Plant fragrant flowers like roses, lavender, and jasmine to enhance your sensory experience. Ninth, cottage garden style. Embrace a more informal, romantic style with abundant blooms and a profusion of plants. 10th, formal garden design. Create a more structured and symmetrical garden with clipped hedges, geometric patterns, and formal planting. Now that we've explored the key elements of a country garden design, let's turn our attention to the heart of any garden: the plants. The right plant selection can transform your outdoor space into a blooming paradise. So, let's delve into a curated list of the best plants to bring your country garden to life. Best plants for a country garden are roses, lavender, peonies, hydrangea, foxgloves, delphiniums, lilies, daffodils, tulips, and bluebells. Country garden design is all about creating a serene and romantic outdoor space. Let's explore the top 10 ideas to help you achieve a beautiful, functional, and sustainable garden. 1. Embrace natural beauty. Harness the power of nature by using natural materials like stone, wood, and brick. Let your garden evolve organically, allowing plants to self-seed and spread. Create winding paths and secret corners to invite exploration. 2. Soft, romantic colors. Opt for a palette of soft, pastel hues like pink, lavender, and white. These colors evoke a sense of tranquility and romance. Consider using complementary colors to create a harmonious and visually appealing garden. 3. Winding paths and secret corners. Design winding paths that lead to hidden seating areas or tranquil ponds. Use hedges, shrubs, and trellises to create intimate spaces within your garden. 4. Vertical gardening. Maximize your space by utilizing vertical elements like climbing vines, wall-mounted planters, and trellises. Train climbing roses, clematis, or wisteria to adorn fences and arbors. 5. Mixed borders. Combine flowers, shrubs, and grasses in mixed borders for a lush, layered effect. Plant in drifts of color for a dramatic impact. Consider using a variety of textures, heights, and bloom times to create visual interest throughout the seasons. 6. Charming garden structures. Add character to your garden with arbors, pergolas, and garden sheds. Decorate these structures with climbing plants and hanging baskets. These elements can provide shade, define spaces, and create focal points. 7. Water features. Incorporate a small pond or bird bath to attract wildlife and add a soothing sound to your garden. The gentle sound of flowing water can create a calming and serene atmosphere. 8. Fragrant plants. Plant fragrant flowers like roses, lavender, and jasmine to enhance your sensory experience. The delightful scents of these plants can create a truly immersive garden experience. 9. Cottage garden style. Embrace a more informal, romantic style with abundant blooms and a profusion of plants. This style is characterized by its relaxed and unkempt appearance, with plants spilling over paths and borders. 10. Formal garden design. Create a more structured and symmetrical garden with clipped hedges, geometric patterns, and formal planting. This style is perfect for creating a sense of order and formality. By following these guidelines, you can create a country garden that is both beautiful and functional. Remember, the key to a successful garden is to experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine through. For more inspiration and gardening tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.